Butterfly
Sound
Knife Slaughter goes to Madpire. Oh shit, your picture got Madpire, you want a Butterfly Slaughter? Write your trade link. What the fuck is happening? Write your trade link.
You know what? I think we're gonna be.
What the fuck? Thank you. Madpire, you need to write your link within 35 seconds or you're getting re-roll. I really wouldn't want to re-roll this picture because it's awesome. What do you say? Today's my 18th birthday. Just gonna give me a thank you. Oh, thank you, Reverse. I hope you win something since it's your giveaway. God damn it. I am Dylan. What was the giveaway already? Penis juice. No. The giveaway is now. Hello? The giveaway is now, Dylan. Oh, you wrote? Nice. Okay. You won the butterfly Slaugther. There we go. Butterfly Slaughter sent to you. And... wait, there we go. Butterfly Slaughter sent to you, I just need to confirm it. Madpie, you don't need to spam your link, bro. Send offer. So, has anyone... okay. Lenny, why haven't you accepted your triple knife wombo combo, man? There we go. Sent the Butterfly Slaugther. Okay, what should we do now? Should we do another bundle? Bundles are pretty cool.